A Cybertruck was towing Woodchipper and suddenly erupted in flames in Red Vail, Colorado. The incident happened on a private property, leading to the destruction of $500 tires and sparking a grass fire. Fire crews were working to mop up half-an-acre fire. Smoke was visible through the night. The flames quickly spread to surrounding land, and several agencies responded to contain the blaze. Approximately 30 firefighters were engaged in fire suppression efforts. U.S. Fish and Wildlife Services also supplied crews and apparatus. The Cybertruck was on fire and completely destroyed, and burned to ashes, and a generator was also ignited. The exact cause of the original vehicle fire is under investigation. No injuries were reported. This incident, however, raises concerns about its battery performance under strain, such as towing a woodchipper weighing 5,000 pounds.